I want to talk about your position and the fact that you're just, you've got to work with the county commissioners, and Commissioner Clay Flores and Commissioner Moody are up for re-election tonight. Are you concerned at all that the complexion of the Commissioners Court could change down the road?
It looks like from the early results, Commissioner Moody is, at least as I understand, leading for the early vote.
52%, I believe.
52%, even though that's a close margin. Typically, the early vote usually dictates the results.
Yeah.
So I'd be shocked to see anything turn around on that. I understand that Commissioner Clay Flores is leading and is close to getting perhaps to a 50% vote, which she may do. What that tells me is Commissioner's Court is stable.
Yeah.
Even though both races involve negative campaigning, but obviously perhaps not at the level as some of the other races. And I'll be real blunt, as county judge, I really like working with both commissioners. I'm hoping they return.
Interesting,
that's what I was
though,
curious about.
the interest in running in the Precinct 1 race, because that's a race with 6 candidates on the ballot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people who were vying for that. Does that say anything to you?
I've been very involved with Southside races going all the way back to the late Congressman Frank. That's a war zone sometimes.
Yeah.
And this race really, it perhaps didn't have that level of intensity that I've seen in the past elections. But in Southside, a lot of the elections are based on family relationships and who's related to who. And so things can get very personal. And when you sometimes upset people in the Southside, their response is to run against you.
Personal but passionate. If you've got 5 people who want to run against an incumbent,
And so if Commissioner Clay Flores prevails, especially without a runoff, I think that's an impressive win. Very impressive win.
I want to turn it over to the panel to let them ask you some questions, but before I do that, what has been the biggest challenge for you so far as county judge?
Challenging the status quo, asking staff and everybody who deals business with Commissioners Court, can we do things differently? Can we be more effective? Can we be more efficient? Can we use taxpayer money in a more effective way? I'm very focused on public safety, public health, and economic development. Just kind of bread and butter issues.
Yeah.
And that's what I believe Commissioners Court and local government should always stay focused on.